A lot of people believe younger women naturally prefer older men. And in many cases, that's true. Experience, emotional control, stability, perspective. These are advantages younger men haven't earned yet. But here's the uncomfortable truth no one talks about. Most older men don't lose attraction because of age. They lose it because of how they carry that age. And once respect is gone, attraction never even gets a chance to grow. That's the real tragedy. Because older men already have everything they need. They just misuse it. Today, I'll break down 7 habits that quietly destroy attraction and how Stoic presence fixes every one of them. Welcome to Silent Stoic. 1. Putting her on a pedestal. You meet a younger woman. She's calm, confident, comfortable in her skin. And without realizing it, something shifts inside you. You start performing, softening opinions, measuring words, trying not to mess it up. Here's the truth. People aren't drawn to those who admire them from below. They're drawn to those who meet them eye to eye. The moment you pedestalize her, you step off your own ground. Pressure replaces presence. Insecurity leaks through posture, tone, hesitation. Normalize her. She's not a prize or a judgment of your worth. She's a human being. Confidence isn't dominance or worship. It's calm equality. That's where attraction breathes. 2. Being insecure about your age. So, how old are you? It sounds casual, but many men tense instantly. Not because of the number, but because of the hesitation. And that hesitation frames age as a weakness. Here's the Stoic truth. Age doesn't reduce attraction. Uncertainty does. Your years represent lessons, control, perspective. But only if you stand peacefully in them. Say your age calmly. No jokes. No explanations. No apologies. People take cues from you. When you're grounded, they relax. Age becomes context, not a liability. 3. Leading with money or status. Some men quietly build their identity around success. So they lead with titles, careers, achievements. Not to impress, but to prove they matter. Here's the problem. Success creates transactions, not attraction. The moment you present yourself as a provider first, you become a resource, not a man. Resources are replaceable. Calm presence is not. A grounded man doesn't advertise his worth. He lets it be felt. Let success reveal itself naturally. When it arrives quietly, it adds depth. When it leads the conversation, it replaces substance. 4. Acting like a mentor instead of a man. This one hides behind good intentions. You explain, advise, teach. Conversation turns into instruction. Wisdom becomes a shield, protecting you from vulnerability. But connection isn't built through lectures. It's built through shared energy. Information doesn't attract. Presence does. A Stoic doesn't need to correct to be respected. His calm attentiveness already speaks. Balance wisdom with warmth. Guidance with curiosity. That's where interest grows. 5. Trying too hard to look young. Forced slang. Borrowed trends. Behavior that doesn't fit. It's not subtle. Trying to appear younger doesn't show confidence. It shows discomfort with the present self. There's a difference between refinement and disguise. Dress sharp, not trendy. Speak naturally. Move with intention. When you stop competing with youth and embody maturity, something shifts. Grounded presence beats imitation every time. 6. Turning conversation into a resume. Stories about achievements. Past victories. Titles. Not arrogance, just pressure to explain value. But attraction doesn't grow on paper. A conversation isn't a presentation. It's an exchange of presence. A grounded man listens without waiting to speak. He lets silence breathe. When you're fully present, you don't need to explain your worth. It's already felt. 7. Neglecting your physical presence. Experience alone isn't enough. People read posture, grooming, discipline before words. You don't need to look young. You need to look intentional. Clean habits. Clothes that fit. A body that shows self-respect. This isn't vanity. It's integrity. Self-respect is visible, and people respond to it instantly. Closing truth. At the core of all these habits is one truth. Attraction isn't about trying harder. It's about stopping what weakens you. Stop proving. Stop performing. Stop apologizing for who you are. Respect comes first. Attraction follows naturally. Call to action. If this resonated, reflect, not on what to fix, but on what to stop doing. Like the video to support calm, grounded content. Subscribe to Silent Stoic for timeless confidence and clarity. Comment which habit hit you hardest. Stay calm, stay grounded, stay silent.